Hello and welcome to the Disneyland Paris Hotel. This is the official hotel for Disneyland Paris, and this is the hotel that is right outside the gates. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a room tour so you can see what the room looks like. And this is actually a superior room, but there's lots of different types of rooms that they do offer. When you first come in the room, to the right, there is a sizable closet. So this is a great place to put your luggage. You can hang your jackets. They give you extra blankets and pillows. Just to the left of that is another closet where you can also hang any of your clothes, but they give you some of those standard hotel amenities. So you've got some shoe covers in case you want to pack your shoes and they get dirty at the parks. There's a laundry bag, which is a nice thing to have. It also comes with slippers. So these are great if you need them. Also a nice little thing you can take. It also comes with a bathrobe and a garment bag. Underneath that is a drawer with a safe. So this is always a nice thing to have in a hotel room if you want to keep small items nice and secure. When you come into the left, you're going to see the bathroom. So this bathroom is pretty good size, a nice cozy bathroom. It comes with a towel warmer, which is something that I don't usually see in a hotel room, so that's nice. You can also put your clothes on there. Pretty good standard shower. Like there's two different types of shower heads, and the bathroom amenities include lotion. I really like the look of this. It's got like that crystal top. I did take this home with me. And you can see the attention to detail in the mirrors. So you can see this one has Snow White and Seven Dwarfs around it. Just a nice touch, nice attention to detail. And I do like the tile in the bathroom. I don't think it's too much. I think just that little strip there is adds to the look and the theming of the room. And then to the left, there is the toilet in its own separate room. So continuing on, as you walk into the room, this is a superior room. And it's a pretty good size. It comes with 2 double beds, but they also have rooms with queen beds and bigger rooms if you have a lot of people in your party and you need more space. To the right, at the end of the bed, there is a couch area. So this is a great place to sit, relax. Somebody can even nap on this. It is a good size. Above that is the TV. So it took me a minute to figure out that this is where the TV was. It is nice and flush against the mirror, which I like. Kind of adds to the look. So that's different, and I really liked that. To the right is the mini bar, kind of tucked away in this cabinet. These, of course, do come at a price, but if you want something on the fly, it is here. It is here for you. And a full-length mirror. I always love having these in the hotel room. Past that couch is the coffee station. So there's a cabinet that opens up. You've got your espresso maker. You also have an electric kettle in case you want to make tea or hot chocolate. And turn down service, they set us up with a cup and a saucer with a spoon. And they also gave us these nougat candies. These were really, really delicious, and it goes really well with this floral tea that they also gave us. So these together is a nice sweet treat at the end of the day. Underneath that is all of your coffee fixings. So you have your cups, you have your different types of espresso. So you have decaf and then your regular espresso. They also give you different types of tea if you want to make that, and hot chocolate. And this hot chocolate is actually really good. There's also all your condiments. You've got your sugars, your sweeteners, and your creamer, which honestly, the espresso is so good. I didn't actually need this. Typically, I like to have it in my coffee, but it was really tasty. And then underneath this, the drawers are empty, so you can also store things in there if you'd like. Next to that is a nice desk area. It comes with plenty of outlets. So it's a great place to charge anything you need to at the end of the day. And of course, additional details in the mirror. That makes a really nice touch. And there's a lot of little decorations and little Easter eggs within the carpet here. So you can see a rose, you can see an apple. So it gives a really nice homage to some of the characters. And I really think that's a nice touch. I think that was a really good, making that attention to detail really, really specific. The view, outside of this room, we had a view of the very front of the hotel, so the entryway. I'll show you what it looks like in the daytime, so you can kind of see that it was a really nice view. It wasn't a view of the park, but still really nice. And again, we had the 2 double beds, nice size room. At the foot of each of the beds, there was a bench. So this is a great place to sit, put your luggage, put your shoes on. What was nice about this is it did split off. So it's comprised of 2 different chairs. So you can pull it apart and you have a chair instead of a bench. So really nice, again, if you need extra seating or if you just need a chair to sit on to get dressed or for any reason. The lighting in the hotel room I thought was really neat. So there was nighttime and daytime lighting. The nighttime lighting kind of gives you a nightlight underneath that bench. So turns off the lights and just gives you just enough light. Daytime turns on the lights so you have enough lighting in the room to kind of do what you need to do. And then there's plenty of reading light at the bed that you can control. In the app, you can also select your favorite character, and this will help select the decor and the theming in the room. This is an added touch that made for an additional incredible experience. The rooms also came with bedtime stories. This is an added detail that makes it really unique if you're traveling with children, and I even enjoyed this as an adult, and I loved this unique amenity. And there you have it. So thank you so much for joining me on this quick little tour of the hotel room at the Disneyland Paris Hotel. Make sure you are subscribed for more about Disneyland Paris, and I'll see you next time.